Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a rechargeable flashlight. So it is by Esgofo. And let's check this thing out and see what it looks like inside. Inside it looks like we have our charging cable, which is going to charge, looks like USB to USB-C. It comes with a, looks like the little uh, thing there to put in 3 of the AAA batteries. And it comes with the 3 AAA batteries here. If I can open them. There is 1, 2, 3. I got the plastic on me. Super alkaline. I guess that's what they are. Okay. So we would just put those in its place. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So there we got the 3 batteries set up there. And then we have in here the flashlight. So this is it here. It's heavy duty. It's pretty solid. It says the battery is in the flashlight. Please check it first. Thanks. Oh, maybe there is already a battery in there. Maybe that's just a secondary one. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh, so we have to take off this little blue piece here. I guess those are just batteries, extra batteries. Yes, this here is a rechargeable battery. Oh, I don't think those are rechargeable. So those are probably just emergency ones if you need it. So we have this battery in here. So there, I took off that little piece. So now, hopefully this will work. When I screw it on. Okay, so we're screwed on now. And what do we have here? We have the button right there. Ah, and man, that is bright. Holy mackerel. I don't know if you can see. It's super bright. You can even see it on the TV. It's going to be so bright. And look at that. It lights up the whole wall. It lights up me. Oh, wow. Okay, so that's only at 75%. So there's, or is that the battery power maybe? Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, I think that's just maybe the battery level. But look at that. And then so it's adjustable, I guess, by pushing the button here. I mean, by sliding this in, so we can slide it in and make it more of a dot like that. I'm guessing this thing, wow, that's bright to just look at, even the reflection of it. But this will be great for my camper and stuff as I'm finding camping spots and doing things and stuff like that. I'll be able to see where I'm at super easy. And then I can push this button here and then it's not quite as bright, but it's still ridiculously bright. Look at that. That's crazy. And then push it to turn it off. That's really cool. And then it's got the little section over here. Let's see where I pull that off. And it's got the USB-C and a USB connector. So I guess I can use this to charge other devices in an emergency if I need to. Let's see if I'm missing anything here. It says adjustable focus. We've done that. Brightness adjustable. We have 2 modes. Yes, we have that. The zooming in and out. USB charging. Very cool. And the USB discharging. Oh, great. Okay, so we are golden. So that is cool. So this is a great little flashlight here. This is going to come in handy. I'm going to keep this in my camper, so I will always have a good flashlight. That's what I was needing. And nice heavy duty. It's such like made out of metal and everything like that. You could probably drop this thing down a few times and it's going to still hold up. I don't know if that's like that metal thing on the back. Oh, it's a magnet. Look at that. So I can even, if I'm doing some work on something, oh, that's our strong magnet to even just be on these scissors. Nothing ever stays on these scissors. But if I'm working on something, if I'm working on the car, something like that, and I have this under the hood, I can just magnet it onto the hood and have it pointing where I need. So really cool. I like it. Nice feature. And then it's got the little thing here. So if I'm going out somewhere, I can put this on my wrist and it won't fall off. If I drop it or something like that, I'm always going to have it handy. So very cool. Nice little features on this flashlight. And it's got the clip as well. So it's got everything. And the recharger. And then the little emergency little battery as well. So it's got it all. Thumbs up for sure. This is great. Pick up one of these.